today we'll be talking about a bird you're most likely to hear before seeing. The common Iora. The common Iora is a small passerine bird. It is found across the tropical Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia. Breeding adult males are black above and rich yellow below with white wing bars. In non-breeding plumage, the upper parts are greenish yellow, but the wings are still black with white wing bars. The female is similar in appearance to a non-breeding male. A species found in shrub and forest. It is easily detected from its loud whistles and the bright colors. The most commonly heard is the whistle, twee twee twee. These birds are quite vocal and can produce a wide variety of calls. Their calls are like locally named Podu Iyorawa. I have seen the common Iora at Dambulla. Birds by their very nature are very secretive and private. Just because you do a bird watching trail does not mean you are going to see a lot of birds. One of the best ways to spot birds is actually to listen to them and quietly follow and try to see where the bird is. In fact, you may hear many birds than you see.